style people, how are you today? So we have another video or another vlog starting today. Right now is 8:02. I'm taking my car to dealership. I got a letter of a recall, so I think all the models of my car and some certain models there's a recall, so I'm taking it back to the dealership so they can fix it for me. So guys, any of you who bought this car outside of the country in Nigeria, unfortunately you cannot benefit from the recall. So well, yeah, so I'm going to dealership right now so I can leave my car. Then I'll also go to church later. I need to go clean. I go to church every Saturday morning to clean. Yes, so I'll do that. Then I'll just go do some Christmas shopping. I got some gifts I need to get for friends. So that's all I'm up to today. So I just started checking on you. So yeah, let's enjoy this weekend together. I have a whole lot planned this weekend, so it might be a short one, but however it turns out, let's go together. That's why I tried to come in early. There's always a line. See? There's always a line here. So usually what happens is they'll come meet you and ask if you have an appointment. I don't have an appointment because I'm good to, I want to leave my car here, go and come back to pick it up. The good thing is that, let me take this off. The good thing is that when you leave your car at the dealership, they usually will get you, if it's a very long service, they usually will give you another car to take away, or if it's pretty short, they'll rather book you in an Uber to and fro or however, but they'll ensure that you have a car to take you back to your destination and bring you right back. So it's pretty organized, very organized. So yeah, that's all I am doing now. It's still very early. The earlier I come do it, the better for me. I don't want you to spoil anything in my car. So yeah, now to clean up. So I had left the dealership. They said they haven't received the parts yet, so they said when the parts arrive at the dealership, they would send another letter to all, to everyone that has this model, and I think 2020, 19 and 2020, I'm not sure. So they'll send a letter again that the part is available at the dealership, so we can go and get the car fixed. So I'm in church now. I'll be here for about 2 hours, I think, to clean. Once I'm done, yeah, we'll take it up from there. Catch you. This is the weekend before Christmas. The traffic outside is mad. It's like there's a pandemonium outside. I just got to the mall now. I just want to return something at H&M. I need to get stuff at Macy's. My friends and I, we did a Secret Santa. So what Secret Santa means is that as friends we came together. You could do it as colleagues, whatever, but as friends we came together, we picked our names, so we don't know whose name, like I don't know who picked my name or whatever. The person whose name I picked doesn't even know I picked her name. So I'm going into the store right now to get something for her. So I want to get something useful that she's going to love. And yeah, so yeah, let's enter the mall together and let's see what we can buy. But it's really crazy outside. I just need to be done with this whole thing and go home. So much traffic. The time right now is 11:18, so it's good that I came at this time when the mall just opened, so I'll be done on time and then off I go. So yeah, so talk to you later.
Decided as I scroll by.
So the next stop is the Southwest Farmers Market. I need to get fish. I need to get digestive biscuits and plantain. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. They don't have it. All right, get this one. How many? One, two is fine. So what we have? I like this bumble one. Let me try it. Yeah, rice. We have puff mix here and canned curry. What's this? I don't know what this looks delicious. We also need to get the egg roll and meat pie. What do we have now? Yeah. And you have meat pie. Chicken pie. Can I get two of chicken pie and two egg roll as well?
If you don't do them, I'll take something else. I'll take something else.
When would you have meat pie? When would you have meat pie?
Tomorrow I get an order for 10 meat pie.
Today?
And cereal.
What time?
12 o'clock.
So I wanted to get fish. It looks empty right now, but they still have tilapia. That's what I'm getting now. They have all this stuff. Let's see. Oh, wow, this is a pleasant fish today. A lot of stuff here. Hey guys, I'm home. I got home a few hours ago, but I have a very bad headache. Like, my head is pounding. I can't even look at the TV. That's why I just put Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo's preaching. I think it's a new one he just uploaded. So I turned off the light, and that's what I'm listening to. So yeah, I just went ahead and unboxed the gift that I got for my friend. I want to have a snack right now for dinner. I don't have strength to cook. I cannot cook now because I don't have the strength. Not like I do not know how to cook. I can cook, of course. Yeah, so that's all. This evening I'm just relaxing, man. My head is pounding. I try not to take medication at all. I try not to. But then this is my fault because I have been sleeping very, very late. The days when I sleep at about 12 midnight, because I'm an early riser, I know I will definitely come down with a headache, and that's what I have right now. It's really bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna drop this phone now so I can have the light turned off. Yeah.
Too strong knowledge, or else your prayers will be hindered. Look at this. Likewise, you husbands, dwell with them, that's your wife, according to knowledge, giving honor unto the wife as unto the weaker vessel. So as being heirs together of the grace of life, that what? Do you understand? The covenant of Satan said, I'm going to stop all his prayer access. I'm going to stop answering his prayer if he doesn't treat you right. Women, that's better for you, for God to fight for you than for you to fight for yourself.
Hey style people, today is Sunday. What's today's date? I don't even 18th, I've been 19th, I don't even know. Okay, so I'm all glammed up, ready for church. But before church, I thought to film a video. It's a Shein haul for evening dresses, so make sure you check my video because I upload every Mondays and Thursdays, so remember to check my video. And yeah, so this is my setup right here. What's my setup? Oh, anyway. I have, okay, look at my ring light here. That's my ring light I just used to film. And yeah, that's my background. This is all me this morning. And let me show you the dresses that I did haul. Okay, so these are the dresses that I did haul as well. And that's the red one there. They're really, really nice. I have, later today, I'm actually going to Sip and Paint. What Sip and Paint is Sip and Paint, just Google it. You go there and you have an instructor who will teach you how to paint. I'm going there with friends, and it's BYOB, bring your own drink. So I have my drink here. I think my friend is coming with some small chops as well. So that's really what I have planned today. So I'm going to church, so come with me to church and praise the Lord. The Lord has been good. The Lord has been good. The Lord has been good. Look at my makeup. What do you think about it? Fine girl. Hey, mama born you well, oh. Hey. Yeah, you're cute. Okay, guys. Yeah, so it's still morning now. It's 9:49. Church starts at 10. I live 10 minutes away from church, so I'm not in a rush. Yeah, so tell me how I look. I'm feeling myself, to be honest. I'm feeling myself. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. Okay, I'll see you in church. Bye.
Continent of Black Africa, sacrifices were made in the broad daylight. But take the love for who? Take the love for Jesus. If nobody did not know the advantage of Christ, the black man must not forget it. They say all twins, they were born in Calabar. They are from evil. They said that they are from they are evil. So when they don't give birth to twins, they take them to where? Evil forest to go and die.
Hey fam, so church is finished now. I'm leaving, I'm going home. I need to go have breakfast. I'm really hungry. Church was awesome. I'll share a clip of the message for today. And I'm gonna get myself ready. I have my Sip and Paint with my friends at 2, and it's 12:48 now. So yeah, let me just get going and rest and do what I need to do. Okay, so what's up? So how's your day been? What have you guys been up to? How has it been? I love my hair. I love my heart. Yeah, this was outfit for today. Oh, okay, so I just got there now. I'm going in right now. Where's the entrance? Oh my goodness, let's see. Okay, so we're here, guys. So that's my friend Blessing. I'm sure you already know her. So this is the whole place. Hope we have fun.
Right? Yeah, hose down. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is while Big Daddy's wet, okay? We've got two different background colors. If you are the snowman, you keep working on your background. For those of you that have finished your background, okay? I want you to take your mama brush, mamacita, stick her in the water a little bit, tap her a couple of times.
On my timeline, you were beckoning by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the sky. Undecided as I scroll by.
Alright guys, so we're done from the Sip and Pen. On my way home now. There's some mad traffic on the road, so don't have a choice, Jerry. It's the weekend before Christmas, so I guess everyone is going out to do last minute shopping. Let me show you what the traffic looks like. Anyway, I was just about to end the vlog here. Thank you so guys for watching this vlog, and I hope you really did enjoy this vlog. Yeah, this is the episode 3 of my vlogmas. So till I come your way with my very next vlog, remember to stay safe and Merry Christmas guys. Bye.